In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Pay Later on Alibaba 2025 step by step. Pay Later for business lets qualified buyers place orders now and settle the balance later, which is great for smoothing cash flow and timing inventory purchases. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips so approval goes smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to Alibaba.com. Make sure you're logged into your buyer account. If you're already on the home page, look toward the top right and click your profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Alibaba to enter your account dashboard. Inside My Alibaba, look for the Payments or Finance section of your dashboard and click Payment. This takes you to the Wallet and Payment Management area. Here, find the option labeled Pay Later for Business and select it. That opens the dedicated page for the program. Take a moment to read the information on this page about how Pay Later for Business stands out. You'll see key details about eligibility, credit limits, fees or promotional terms, supported regions, and how billing cycles work. Understanding these items up front helps you avoid surprises later. Once you're done reading and you're comfortable with the terms, continue on the same page. Next, click Get Instant Approval. You'll be redirected to a secure application portal. Enter your business email address exactly as it appears in your company records. Using a company domain rather than a personal email can help with verification. When you're ready, click Next to proceed. The portal will then ask for additional information. Provide what's requested accurately and consistently with your legal documents. Typical details may include your registered business name, company address, registration or tax information, expected purchasing volume, and the contact information for an authorized representative. Take your time here. Small mismatches in spelling or numbers can delay a decision. If the form asks for confirmations or consents, review them carefully before you move forward. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts until the application is complete. In many cases, decisions are fast, and once approved, Pay Later will automatically appear as an available method in your payment section and during checkout on eligible orders. If you don't see the Pay Later option at any point, it may not be available in your region or for your account type yet, so simply check back later. Keep your browser updated, allow the page to load fully, and have your business details handy to speed things up. That's it. You've turned on Pay Later for Business on Alibaba.